Hi children, happy morning all of you. How are you all? Hope you are all good and safe. Very good. I am also good Nana. Thank you so much. Keep washing your hands regularly and be hygienic. Okay? Very good. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4 in term 3 textbook in EVS. Okay? The lesson name is light, sound and force. What is the lesson name Nana? Light, sound and force. Okay, be ready with your term 3 textbook and open page number 140. This page Nana, this lesson number 4, this lesson and this page. Shall I start? Okay, good. Now I am going to ask one question mark. Okay, how we are seeing so many objects around us. How we are seeing so many objects around us. Come on, tell me. Think once. Yes, with the help of eyes, we can see different types of objects. Excuse me. We can see different types of objects around us with the help of eyes. Okay, here I have one doubt, ma. Can we see different types of objects in a dark? In a dark? No, we can't see. Come on, tell me now. So, we can see different types of objects with the help of our eyes in the presence of light only. In the presence of light only. Okay, very good. We can't see anything without light. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. See here. Here I have one more doubt, Nana. Can we, we can see anything in a daytime. We can see any objects around us in a daytime. How? How is it possible, ma? It is possible with the help of sunlight. With the help of sunlight. So can we say there is no need of putting on the light in a day? Yes or no? Okay, we can say. Okay. Because sun is giving us light. Sun is giving us light. With the help of the sunlight only, we can see any object around us in a daytime. In a daytime. Okay? Okay. Can we say sun is the natural source of the light on earth? Can we say? Yes, we can say. So, what is the natural source of the light on earth? Sun. What is the natural source of the light on earth? Sun. Sun is the natural source of the light on earth. Okay? Very good. But we need to putting on the light in a dark. Why? Because there is no light in a dark. There is no sunlight in a dark. That's why we need to putting on the light only. After finishing our work, we can putting off the light. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. See here. Okay. Now tell me some names which are giving us light. Tell me some objects, Rana. First of all, candle. Candle. We will get light in a dark with the help of candle. Okay. Next one. Torch. Very good. Torch. Candle. Torch. Light fire. See here, Nana. Here you can see. Lamp, candle, torch. Okay. We will get light from candle also. We will get light from torch also. As well as we will get light from lamp also. Lamp also. Okay. We will get light from candle, torch, lamp also. Got my point? Very good. So, these are called luminous objects. Luminous objects. Come on, tell me definition of the luminous objects. Objects which give us light are called luminous objects. Objects which give us light. Which give us light are called luminous objects. Luminous. What are they, Anna? Tell me some examples. Candle, torch, lamp. These are the some examples of luminous objects. Okay, Anna? Very good. But objects which do not give us light are called non-luminous objects. What are they? Non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects. Tell me some examples, Ranna. We have so many examples for non-luminous objects. Table, chair, pencil, book, chalk piece. These are all the examples of non-luminous objects. Why? Because they are not giving us light. Okay, Anna? Clear? Good. See here. Non-luminous objects, and these are all luminous objects. Torch. Sun is the natural source of the light on earth. Candle, luminous object. Lamp, luminous objects. Okay, Anna? Very good. Now, let's try to learn about shadow. Now, let's try to learn about how shadow is formed. Okay? See here, Nana, once. If you observe clearly, if I on this torch light, if I switch on the torch light, how this lighting is traveling? Straight lines are in the form of waves. See properly. Can you see this? See. How it is traveling? How? This light is traveling, Nana. This light is traveling in the straight lines. How it is traveling? See here. These light rays are traveling in the straight lines. See. Straight lines. So, if you observe clearly here, rays are traveling in straight lines. These straight lines are called as rays. These straight lines are called as rays. These straight lines are called as rays. What are they? Rays. Okay. If you observe here clearly, 1 minute, Nana. Sure. See here. If you observe here clearly, when any object comes in the way of the light. See, when something or any object comes in the way of the light, or when an object block the path of the light, then shadow is formed. If you observe here on the board, how shadow is formed? See here clearly. Here what I am doing, Nana? See? Here, this object came in the path of the light, or it blocks the path of the light. That's why here this object shadow is formed on the board. Clear, Anna? How shadow is formed? Clear? See. Thank you. Light travels in straight lines. Light travels in straight lines. These straight lines are called rays. Okay. When something comes in the way of light or blocks the path of light, a shadow is formed. Seen? We have seen? Okay, good. If you observe here, sun is giving sunlight here. Tree, here is tree, but this tree blocks the path of light. That's why here tree shadow is formed. Okay, Nana? Good. See, experiment 1. Go out in the sun to observe your shadow at different times of the day. At what time of the day is your shadow the longest? At what time is it the shortest? If you go in the sun in the morning, in the afternoon, as well as in the evening, then you can observe your shadow. How is your shadow? Okay, how is your shadow means at what time is it longest, as well as at what time is it shortest also. You can observe that. Okay, you can do this experiment also in the sun. Next, we have learnt about earth rotates as well as earth rotation and earth revolution also in the previous class. Okay, see here. Do you know one thing, ma'am? Do you know about eclipse? Eclipse. Okay. We hear about eclipse. In that eclipse time, we will not eat anything and we will not go outside also. Okay. After finishing that eclipse only, we will do bath as well as we have eat something also. Okay. Generally, we are having two types of eclipse, Nana. Two types of eclipse. They are solar eclipse and lunar eclipse, ma'am. Okay. What are they? Solar eclipse as well as second one is lunar eclipse. Okay. Now let's try to learn how they will be formed. Okay, Nana? First one is solar eclipse. Solar eclipse. We all know about Earth spins on its own axis. Okay, as well as Earth revolves around the sun also. This is the sun, ma. Earth. This is the Earth. Okay. And we all know another one also. How Earth is revolving around the sun as well as moon also revolving around the Earth. When the moon revolves around the Earth, when it comes between the sun and Earth, when the moon comes between the sun and the Earth, then we can't see the sun. See properly, Nana. When the moon is revolving around the Earth, when it comes between the sun and Earth, then we can't able to see the sun, as well as the moon shadow is false. The moon shadow is false on the Earth. Okay. So this type of eclipse is called solar eclipse. In this solar eclipse, we can't able to see the sun because between the sun and Earth, moon is there. That's why. Okay, as well as moon shadow is falling on the Earth also. Okay, see here, Nana. The shadow is falling on the earth. See here. This is the solar eclipse. Solar eclipse. If you observe here clearly, moon comes between the sun and the earth. Okay. Then this moon shadow is falling on the earth. Then we can't able to see the sun. This type of eclipse is called solar eclipse. Okay, Anna? Next one. Second one. Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. Same. Here sun, Anna. Here sun. But here moon. Here earth. When the moon is revolving around the sun, when earth, here earth, Nana, okay? When earth comes between the sun and the moon, when earth comes between the sun and the moon, then this earth shadow is falling on the moon. Okay, Nana? See. Then here we can't able to see the moon. Okay, ma? This type of eclipse is called lunar eclipse. What is this? Lunar eclipse. See here. Lunar eclipse. When the earth blocks the light of the sun. Here, earth blocks the light of the sun. Earth blocks here. But in solar eclipse, moon blocks the light of the sun. Here, earth blocks. Here, earth blocks the light of the sun. As well as earth shadow is falling on the moon. Okay, Nana? Clear? Then we can't see. Then we can't able to see the moon. This type of eclipse is called lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. Okay, Nana? Good. See here. Earth comes between the sun and the moon. Okay? Here earth shadow is falling on the moon. Okay? Good. This type of eclipse is called lunar eclipse. Okay? Good. This is about the light and shadow, Nana. Now let's try to learn about the sound. Okay. We are listening different types of sounds around us every day. Yes or no? Yes. We are listening chipping of sounds as well as ringing of the bells, doorbells, ringtones, our phone ringtones, as well as water sound, different types of sounds of animals sounds, as well as some sounds from kitchen also. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. If you observe here, see, chipping of birds. Next, horns, doorbells, drums. We are listening different types of sounds around us every day. Okay. But some sounds are very pleasant. Some sounds are irritating us. Yes or no? Yes. See, here we can do this experiment, Nana. Take a glass tumbler and a steel tumbler. Okay. Half fill each of them with water. Gently strike them with a pencil and hear different kinds of sounds. You can do this, Nana. And you can hear different sounds also. Different types of sounds also. If you observe here, see. What is this sound? How is this sound? This is one type of sound. Okay. How is this sound? This is another type of sound. Okay. As well as if we clap, how is this sound? Means different things make different types of sounds. Okay. Some sounds make us feel happy. Okay, they are very pleasant, but some sounds gets disturb us as well as irritate us. Okay, unpleasant sounds are called noise. Which type of sounds make us, which type of sounds gets disturb us, which type of sounds disturb us or irritating us, that type of sounds are called as noise. Unpleasant sounds, they are called noise. What are the noise? Okay, if you listen any devotional songs or your favorite music, that will sound make you happy, if you observe when you are going in traffic, then honking of horns, how they are disturbing us, they are irritating us, that type of sounds are called noise. Unpleasant sounds are called noise. Okay, see here Nana, here we can see music. This type of sound make us happy. This is traffic. It irritates us. Okay, we should avoid blowing horns as far as possible. That's why we should avoid blowing horns. As if we talk, if we speak loudly, then the type of sound makes irritate others. That's why we should speak softly. Don't speak loudly. Okay, it will get hurt someone. Okay, Nana? Good. We should speak softly. We should play music and TV at a low volume. If you want to listen music, otherwise if you want to watch TV, then compulsory at a low volume. That is only correct. Okay, Anna? Otherwise it will get irritate others. Okay, good. So we should avoid blowing horns as far as possible. Okay, we should speak softly. We should play music and TV at a low volume. Okay, not high volume, low volume. Okay, Anna? Good. This is about sound. Okay, unpleasant sound is called noise. Don't get irritated with the don't disturb others with your voice. Means you should speak softly. Okay, good. Next one, force, Nana. Force. Do you know one thing, ma? Force can do anything. Okay, if you observe here, see, they are either pushing or pulling something. Force can push or pull something also. When we push or pull something, we apply force and do work. This push or pull is called force. For example, here one ball is coming towards me, Nana. See here. Yes. Here I can catch this ball with the help of my force. Okay. Here I am using force to stop this ball. So force can do this work. Force can stop any object. Okay, Nana? And see, ma. See, here what I am doing? I am pulling this object with the help of force. Here I am using my force to push this. So, force can move any object as well as force can stop any object. Okay? Now, see. This is a piece of paper, Nana. Now, force can change the shape of an object also. Here, I am doing this with the help of force. I am using my force to do this work. Now you can see how is this paper. How is this paper in starting? Now how is this paper? See. Okay. Now can we say force can change the shape of an object also. How is this paper in starting? Like this. Yes or no? After using my force, now is like this. Now can we say force can change the shape of an object? Yes, force can change the shape of an object also. Now tell me Nana, force can do any work, force can do anything also. Okay, force can stop an object, force can move an object, as well as force can change the shape of an object also. Okay Nana? Good. See here. She is pushing this cart with the help of her force. Here, she is doing her work with the help of her force. Next, see how this boy is pushing the car with the help of force. See, stop this ball. She is changing that object shape with the help of her force. Okay. So force can stop any object, force can move any object, as well as force can change the shape of an object also. Okay Nana? Good. This is about force. Okay. This is about light, sound and force lesson Nana. Hope you understood this lesson. Here we have some work to do. Page number 140. This one. Get started. First one. When we switch on this bulb, we get light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Okay? We will get light. Next, second one. When we play this drum, we hear if you play this drum, then you can hear sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. Okay? Good. Next. Come to page number 142, ma. This one. Checkpoint. Okay? First one. The earth revolves around the sun or moon? Earth revolves around the sun. Circle sun. And the dash revolves around the earth. Moon. First of all, sun. Second one, moon. Okay? Good. Second one, Nana. Excuse me. A dash eclipse occurs when the shadow of the dash falls on the moon and it can't be seen. A lunar eclipse occurs when the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. Okay, then we can't able to see the moon. Okay, good. Number 3, Nana. We should encourage or avoid blowing horns. We should avoid blowing horns. Okay, good. This page Nana 143. Let us discuss a bit more. Okay, first one. This is the main source of the light on earth. What is that? Candle, sun, moon. Yes, sun. Tick mark. Second one, ma. Loud and unpleasant sounds. Option A, make us feel happy. Option B, irritate us. Option C, have no effect on us. Loud and unpleasant sounds irritate us. Yes or no? Yes. Option B, tick mark. Number 3, ma. When we push or pull something, we apply force and dash. A, sleep. B, do work. C, do nothing. We apply force and do work. Option B, ma. Okay? Good. Number 4, force can do. Option A, nothing. Option B, one thing. Option C, many things. Force can do many things. Okay? B bit Nana. Name the following. Light travels in these straight lines. Light travels in straight lines. That straight lines are called, yes, rays. R-A-Y-S, rays. Okay? Number 2. This is formed when an object blocks the path of light. What will be formed? Yes, shadow. 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 Okay. Number 3, Nana. This is caused by an unpleasant sound. Noise. 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 Okay. Good. Number C. Let us discuss. See with Nana. Number the source of sound in the increasing order of sound produced. One has been done for you. Increasing order. Okay. First is fan. After fan, which will give a sound loudly. Number 2, fireworks. Number 2, fireworks. After fireworks, Nana, thunder or jet plane? Jet plane. Yes, thunder. Thunder is number 3. And last one is jet plane. Okay. First one is fan. Second one is fireworks. Third one is thunder. And last one is jet plane. Okay. This is the order, Nana. Come to page number 145, ma. Here fun to do. You can do this table with the help of your parents, ma. Okay? Just a small work. This is about light, sound and force lesson, Anna. Hope you understood this lesson. Okay? Don't go outside, Anna. Be careful. Thank you, parents. Thank you, Lonnie ma'am. Stay home. Stay safe.